Hello everybody, I have an unboxing to do, but this is for Etsy. So if you've been wondering what is Etsy or should I buy things from Etsy? Etsy is an online selling platform and it was designed originally for creators, artists that make stuff. Like if you would go to a craft fair, it's like an online craft fair. Now, over time, other people have gotten in there and sell things, but for the most part, it's where I go to get homemade things so that I can, A, support small businesses and local artists, or local being the world, the human world, right? Like artists all over the world. And because you can get really cool, unique things. So I've done some other reviews, but today we are going to be reviewing Crimson Sage Apothecary. And I ordered some things in preparation for Imbolc, which is the next celebration in the Eightfold Wheel that I celebrate in sort of the Druidic side of what I believe in. So everything is kind of centered on getting ready to honor Brigid, Saint Brigid of Keldare, and this is who she is. So I love that they sent a card about Brigid, which they didn't have to. So they sent this beautiful card, which I will read. And I'll also keep handy near me as we enter the Imbolc season. So these are things that I handpicked, right? So when you get a box, those are things they pick for you, but these are things that I picked for myself that I wanted. And so the first thing that I picked was a harvest doll, and this is, this is a lot bigger than I thought. I thought I was going to get this tiny little doll, but this is much bigger. And in the Druidic culture, the deer and the ram and these are spirit animals. So I really just liked this doll. And it says the harvest doll symbolizes the spirit of the corn, and the great harvest represents the maiden as a symbol of fertility, vitality, and the natural cycle of life, death, and rebirth, much like the cycle of crops. Harvest dolls can be female, male, or non-binary, as they represent all forms of fertile life. And Imbolc, which is, St. Brigid, it's the first of the, believe it or not, the spring holidays, right? That's the way the calendar works. I just thought this would be really a nice addition to what I have around for Imbolc. I don't really have a lot for Imbolc. So, and I do love the way they packaged everything. It's very useful. So, another thing I got, and this was because it was on sale, this is Green Man Ritual Incense. So, as you know, I like incense. I make my own, but I do like the Green Man a lot, and I actually have a few things with the Green Man. There's a few different versions of the Green Man. I like the more serious one, so I got that because we're getting ready to prepare for spring and the new growth that comes with spring. And again, I do really like the way they packaged everything. It's so secure. And so you can see there's a seal on it, and I can open it. Oh, and I love this. This is ritual soak bath, and I love they included this little thing. So if you take baths with crystals and herbs, you know that it gets all over the place. And then you spend twice as much time cleaning the tub than you do soaking in it, which is annoying. So this is super handy. I actually have other mesh bags that I use, but I'm going to use this one for this. And this is Brigid's Blessing. So on Imbolc, I'll do this. Now, I'm not a practicing witch. I'm not a Wiccan. So to me, ritual just means being mindful of St. Brigid and her gifts to the world. But if you are a person who celebrates some kind of practice that has ritualistic baths, this is great. And what I usually do is I will mix it up in this bag and then put it in here and drop it into the tub with me. And I'm very, very excited to do that. I have a jacuzzi tub. I love it. And then the other thing that I got, which is a Brigid Ritual Healing Set. It's this, beautiful little box. And again, well packaged. I have no idea how this box opens. Oh, don't get old, Padawan. And what's in it, let me put it down so that I can lift things out of it. The first thing that's included I just love their little bags. I'm addicted to little bags. This is Brigid's Mantle Healing Poultice. don't have any idea how to use this, but I imagine there's a wee bookie in here that I'm going to figure it out. So that is really cool. I don't know what it does, but we're going to find out. All right, next in here is a little cloth that has Brigid's cross on it. So a Brigid's cross is a very specific kind of cross, and I actually keep one at the front of my house near the door, because it provides protection. And it said that she was weaving these next to her Druid father as he was dying. So, you know, Christians appropriated a lot of the Brigid story, so who knows what's true. But, and then here we have a little spoon, beautiful little spoon to use with the healing stuff. And then we have a bottle of something. I don't know what this is. Probably some kind of healing oil, I'm going to guess. I don't know. We'll find out. Because there's a wee bookie. There's a wee paper. Brigid's ritual. Mantle ritual. There is a traditional ritual in Ireland for attracting the blessing of Brigid to your home. Take a piece of the white cloth and dip it in spring water. At dusk on January 31st, the eve of Imbolc, place the cloth outside of your home or tie it to a tree branch or bush. It is said that Brigid will pass by on that evening and bless the cloth. The cloth can then be used in various ways, especially for those in need of some kind of healing. And then it has the pulse. I don't know how to say that word, poultice. And it tells you exactly what to do with the mixture. So that's all very cool stuff. I have no idea what's in that vial though, so I might ask the folks what it is in there. Oh, maybe there's something. Oh, wait, there's something. No, that's it. No idea. Maybe it's water. It's got something in it, so I don't know. I'll have to figure out what that is. But overall, I will say that I completely recommend Crimson Sage. Their shipping was fast. They've packaged this beautifully so that nothing would break, because there's a lot of glass in here. You know, and they really have very nice things on their website. So I'm definitely going to save them as a favorite store, and I will post a link to their store below so that you can go check them out and show some love to artists that make these things. We all help each other out a little bit. You know, buying this stuff helps them create more stuff, and like, I could never create this. I am not arts and craftsy. And thank you very much for the extra card about Brigid. Because this will, she's my girl. She and, I have a few saints that I like. Saint Teresa, I like. Of Lisieux, I like her a lot too. Anyway, wishing all of you all the best in light and love. Be well. Bye-bye.